Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Windows PC. If your computer is slow, not working properly, or you want to start fresh, this step-by-step guide will help you reset it safely. So let's get started. First of all, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now click on Update and Security. Scroll down and select Recovery. Under the Recovery options, you will see Get Started. Click on the Get Started button. Now you will see two options. Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove everything. This will delete all files, apps, and settings completely. Choose the option that is best for you. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. Windows may ask if you want a cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the internet. Local reinstall uses the files already on your PC. Select your preferred option and continue. Finally, click Reset, and your PC will restart and begin the reset process. This may take some time, so be patient and do not turn off your computer during the process.